Let's learn some useful English expressions.
Ready. You are wasted, take it easy, take your time, hold still, and get home safe.
Wow, they sound great.
We met at the bar near my house and he was really drunk. So I said, "You are wasted."
Alex, are you okay?
Oh, you mean I'm fine.
You are wasted. Let's go home.
I met my friend Alex at the library today. He looked very tired. So I said, "Take it easy."
Hi, Alex. How are you?
Hi, Min. My exam is tomorrow. I'm studying really hard.
Oh, Alex, you look so tired. Take it easy.
Alex cooked dinner for me. It was taking a long time. So I said, "Take your time."
Sorry, Min. I'm still cooking. Can you wait a few more minutes?
You look nervous. Take your time.
Alex and I were taking a picture together. He didn't want me to move. So he said, "Hold still."
Let's take a picture together.
Yeah, I'd love to.
Okay, hold still. 3, 2, 1.
Alex and I went on a date today. As we were leaving, he said, "Get home safe."
I had such a great time.
So did I. Thanks for inviting me tonight.
My pleasure. Get home safe, okay?
Text me.
They sound great. Did you learn some new expressions today?
If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.
See you in the next video.